How to fix Discord not opening on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Discord back up and running on your mobile device. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Discord and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Discord and check if it opens properly. From here, if Discord is still not opening, tap on Storage again. This time, tap on Clear Data to do a full reset of the app. Then, reopen Discord and log back in. From here, if it's still not opening, let me show you the next fix. Open the Play Store. Search for Discord at the top. Tap on Update if one is available, and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen Discord and check if it launches properly. At this stage, if Discord is still not opening, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and Mobi data to see if that makes a difference. From here, if the connection isn't the issue, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Discord and check if it's working. Finally, once done, open Discord and log back in. Your account and servers will all still be there as everything is stored on Discord servers. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Discord not opening on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.